Infographic.so is a web platform that allows you to generate infographics from any piece of text. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I'm actually going to click on one of the sample data provided. I'm going to click on enhancing personal productivity, and it's now giving me this prompt. Feel free to pause and look into this. I can see it's mentioning the Eisenhower Matrix. Okay, cool. I'm going to click create infographic and let's see what we get. Okay, cool. So we've got an infographic that's been created. I think these can be probably a better color. Let's go with that. Yeah, let's go with bright white so I can actually see this. Okay, cool. Well, this is a nice little infographic and I can attach to a presentation. Of course, there may be some formatting changes that I want to do. Just gonna make sure this is all clear and easy to see. But yeah, this is a nice and quick way to just create any kind of infographics that you need. So we've got Eisenhower Matrix going into deep work blocks, taking regular breaks, reflecting daily, and then prioritizing the to-do list, which all makes sense, really and truly.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it's something that would be valuable for you. You can also view your input, change the design, and change the style as well. So this is somewhat similar to Napkin AI in that sense. Yeah, very similar to Napkin. Now I can see these designs, so we can actually just change it and go for any one of these. This is pretty cool. Seem to have quite a few interesting designs. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be valuable for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.